box, stomp your feet, start clapping. Got a real good feeling, something bad about to happen.
Let's learn Bad About to Happen, the bath dance. It's choreographed by Dan Albro. It is a 24 count 2-wall high beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Bad About to Happen, the bath dance. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a toe heel stomp. So you're going to take your right toe, you're going to touch it into your left with your knee pointed in. You're going to take your right heel and place it out with your knee pointed out, and then stomp your right foot forward. We're now going to do a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back into your right, rock back with your left foot, recover forward on your right. We're going to do a toe heel stomp with our left, taking that left toe, touch it into your right with your knee pointed in. Place your left heel forward with your knee pointed out, and then stomp your left foot forward. We're now going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto our left, and you're going to make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left doing your toe heel stomp. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, we're going to do a step lock step with our left. So you're going to take your left foot, step it forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. And when you finish this pivot, you want to have your body slightly angled to the left, because we're going to go into a weave. So you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, step your left foot to the left side. We're going to place our right heel into the right diagonal, step your right next to your left, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your step lock step. So it's 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 Section 3 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you kick your left foot forward to face 9 o'clock and then do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. You're going to step forward with your right foot. You're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder as you kick your left foot forward to face 6 o'clock and then do a left coaster step. Step your left foot back, right together, left forward. And that is the end of the dance. You'll be ready to start over with your toe heel stomp. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our heel ball cross. We're going to step to the right. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts, and then I'll talk about the fun styling that you can add into the first section of the dance. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our toe heel stomp, rocking chair, toe heel stomp, rock, recover, half, step, block, step, step, half, pivot, leap, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, step, quarter, kick, coaster, step, step, quarter, kick, coaster, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your toe heel stomp. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now, on walls 3, 7, and 9, the lyrics say to stomp your feet, start clapping. So on those walls, instead of doing your rocking chair, you can change it to match the lyrics. So when that happens, all you're going to do is do your toe heel stomp, and then you're going to stomp your feet left, right, stomp, stomp, and then clap your hands twice. When you finish that, you're going to have your weight on your right because you'll do your left toe heel stomp and your rocking half. So you're just taking out the rocking chair and add stomp, stomp, up, up. That is the only difference. You're going to hear it coming because it will have the lyrics that start that stomp your feet, start clapping as you do that first toe heel stomp, so then you'll know to go stomp, stomp. You can hear it coming, but you can also choose to just do your rocking chair. That's okay too. It's a fun variation that you can add for that first section. So now let's go around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I'm going to do counts. When we get to wall 3, I will do the fun variation so that you can practice it if you would like to add it into the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, I am going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our toe heel stomp. Toe heel stomp, rocking chair, toe heel stomp, rock, recover, half. Step, block, step, step, half, pivot, cross, side, behind, step, heel, ball, cross, step, quarter kick, coaster, step, step, quarter kick, coaster, step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is your variation wall. Toe, heel, stomp, 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 clap, clap, toe, heel, stomp, rock, recover, half, step, block, step, step, half, pivot, cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, step, quarter kick, coaster, step, step, quarter kick, coaster, step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the very demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn B.A.T.H about to happen, the bath dance. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Stand on the box, stomp your feet, start clapping. Got a real good feeling, something bad about to happen.